This video lecture explains the structure of a HTML document. The HTML document starts with HTML tag, ends with /HTML tag. The HTML element represents the root of an HTML document. It is the container for all other HTML elements. It consists of the opening HTML tag and the closing /HTML tag. The HTML document consists of two important sections, namely head section and the body section. The head section is enclosed in a head element and the body section is enclosed in the body element. The head element contains information about the web page. It do not contains the main content of the page. It contains information such as title of the page, description of the page, keywords that search engines can use to index the page. The head element consists of the opening head tag and the closing /head tag. The head element can include scripts, instruct the browser where to find style sheets, and provide meta information. Title, style, meta, link, script, no script, and base are the elements that can be inserted into the head element. The body element defines the web page body. It contains the information that the user actually sees in the main browser window. It consists of the opening body tag and the closing /body tag. The body element contains all the contents of an HTML document such as text, hyperlinks, images, tables, lists, frames, and forms. Now let us learn to differentiate between the body element and the head element. The head element contains information about the web page. These information will not be displayed on the main web page, whereas the body element holds the actual contents of the web page. Let us learn to use title element inside the head element. The title element defines a title in the browser toolbar. It provides a title for the web page when it is added to favorites. It displays a title for the web page in search engine results. Now let us learn to use the comment element in HTML programming. The comment element can be added to HTML source code by using its opening tag and closing tag. The opening tag of the comment element consists of the opening angle bracket, exclamation mark, and 2 dashes. And the closing tag of the comment element consists of 2 dashes and the closing angle bracket. The comment element is used to insert a comment in the HTML source code. Comments can be used to explain the HTML code, which can help the user to review or edit the source code at a later date. The comment element can also be used to place notifications and reminders in a HTML code. The comment element can also be used for debugging HTML code. To search for errors in a HTML code, it can be commented out one at a time. The comment element will be ignored by the browser. To summarize, the HTML code starts with HTML tag, ends with /HTML tag. The HTML code consists of two important sections, namely head section and the body section. The head section starts with head tag, ends with /head tag. The body section starts with body tag, ends with /body tag. The HTML element represents the root of the HTML document. The head element contains information about the web page. The body element contains the contents of the web page. It also contains all the contents of an HTML document such as text, hyperlinks, images, tables, lists, frames, and forms. The title element defines a title in the browser toolbar. The title element is placed inside the head element. The comment element is used to insert a comment in the HTML source code. Thank you.